Dr. Therian here with the Eye Doctor Near Me channel, and want to do a quick product review over Precision One contact lenses, which is currently my favorite contact lens on the market. So the top 5 reasons why I like this contact lens so much. One, it has a moisture gradient on the lens, which means that there's 80% water content on the outside of the lens and less as you go deeper in towards the eye. So that allows it to hold the moisture to the eye a lot better, which helps out with dry eyes and patient comfort. Second reason is it is a silicone hydrogel lens, which means that it's really easy for the patient to handle and manipulate and work with. And so a little bit easier to put in, a little bit easier to take out because of that silicone hydrogel material. Third reason is it has UV protection built into it. Not very many contacts do. I still encourage sunglasses even though it has the UV, but just an added benefit that it actually does have the UV protection built into it. Fourth reason is all about oxygen permeability. Basically, it has a DK over T value of 100. Now, what we know in the medical world is if that DK over T value is below 87, the cornea will start to swell and have some problems. And just for comparison purposes, a Hubble contact lens has a DK over T of 18. And so significantly below that 87, whereas the Precision One's at 100, so well above that 87 mark. Then the fifth reason is actually the price point of it. It is actually very affordable considering all the technology that Alcon threw into it and all that fun stuff and all the amazing benefits that are there. It's not even the Cadillac of contact lenses. There are way more expensive contact lenses on the market than what the Precision One is. And so for a little bonus reason why I also like it is it has a really good base curve that makes it really easy to insert. It does make it a little bit more challenging to take out, but that base curve does make it really comfortable and an easy fit. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have a great day.